A very good morning to my friends of class 11 science. Today we'll be learning about the normal reaction force, the next topic of the normal reaction force, which is man in a lift. Man in a lift. See, basically what we are going to do is we are going to measure the weight of a person. Okay, we are going to measure the weight of a person. What do we do to measure the weight? We use a weighing machine. ठीक है, नीचे वेइंग मशीन रखते हैं, फिर उसके ऊपर ऐसे सीधे खड़े रहते हैं एंड वट एवर द रीडिंग इज देयर इन द मशीन यू से दैट इज योर वेट. ओके, नाउ डज द वेइंग मशीन एक्चुअली मेजर्स योर वेट? नो, it is not measuring your weight, it is measuring the normal reaction force. What it is measuring? It is measuring the normal reaction force. How it is measuring? See, when you stand on a weighing machine, it has got a spring inside it. Okay, this spring gets compressed when you are standing at the top. It is getting compressed and it is giving a normal reaction force onto the surface in contact. Basically, a weighing machine is measuring normal reaction force. Now, take a look at this diagram, how it is measuring the normal reaction force. See, a person is standing on a weighing machine. This is the person of mass m. He is standing on a weighing machine. This is the weighing machine, and there is no acceleration. There is no movement of the body. How many forces are acting on him? One is the gravitational force in downward direction. Other is this normal reaction force applied by the weighing machine on the person. That is normal reaction force, that is in the upward direction. Okay, what is the acceleration of the person? Acceleration of the person is 0. So that means upward and downward forces are equal. If upward and downward forces are equal, then n is equals to mg. And what is mg? Mg is your actual weight. Clear? This is how the simple measurement of a weight takes place. But if this same person and the weighing machine are placed on an inclined plane, on a wedge, this kind of surface, कोई भी inclined surface होता है ना, उसको अपन wedge बोलते हैं, W-E-D-G-E. Okay, this is known as wedge. So if this person is standing oblique on a weighing machine which is kept on a wedge, what is the angle made by this wedge with respect to horizontal surface? What is this angle? This angle is theta. Okay, this is the person, right? How many forces are acting on this person? One is the weight of a person, that is m into g. देखो, if you tilt the bodies in any kind of measurement, things will change. The direction of friction, the direction of normal reaction force, they will change. But the only thing that is not changing is the direction of gravitational force. Gravitational force का direction कभी भी change नहीं होता है. It is always directed towards the center of earth and it is always perpendicular to the surface of earth. Right? Suppose I am standing like this. What is the direction of my weight? The direction of my weight is a force, right? What is the direction of force? It is always perpendicular to the surface of earth. Where it is always perpendicular to the surface of earth. Alright, so the direction of gravitational force is this. Normal reaction force कैसा होता है? जो surface contact में होते हैं उनसे 90 degrees पे होता है. So this is the normal reaction force, this is the contact surface. It is making a 90-degree angle with the surface, not with the earth but with the surface. So this is the direction of normal reaction force. Alright, so this is mg, this angle is theta, so this angle will also be theta. You can turn it and see it by yourself. This is angle theta resolving mg. This will be mg cos theta and this will be mg sin theta. Mg sin theta I have not written because it is not required over here. Okay, so n and mg. The person is not making any movement in this direction or in this direction. That means this force and this force, they are equal. N is equals to mg cos theta. N is equals to mg cos theta. And you know that mg cos theta is not the weight of a person. The weight of a person is equal to mg only. ठीक है, तो ये आपका actual weight इस समय नहीं बताएगा. All right. Now, this is the simple weight measurement of any body. ठीक है, चाहे आदमी का वजन करो, चाहे आपने गेहूं लिया, गेहूं को वेइंग मशीन पे रखा, धर्म कांटे पे रखा, उसका वजन करो. बट इफ से a man is standing inside an elevator or a lift and the lift is moving up and down, will there be any change in the weight of a person? Will there be any change in the normal reaction force or will there be any change in the apparent weight of a person? जो मशीन पढ़ रही है, that is the apparent weight, और जो actual weight है आपका, that is equal to m into g, right? So now we are going to take a look at what happens to the apparent weight of a person. That means what happens to the normal reaction force of that person. Case number 1, this is the man, this is the weighing machine. Weighing machine is kept in an elevator. The mass of the man is m and the elevator is moving up with an acceleration a. Elevator is moving up with an acceleration a. So if elevator is moving up, the man is also moving up with an acceleration a. Now I am drawing free body diagram. What I am drawing? Free body diagram. देखो, free body diagram सीखने के लिए आपको बहुत सारी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने पड़ेंगे, बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स भी सुनने पड़ेंगे. ओके, सो अब इसका फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम कैसे बनाएंगे? जितने फोर्स आपको लगता है कि इस पे एक्ट कर रहे हैं, वो सारे फोर्सेस इस पे ड्रॉ कर दो along with their directions, right? So the man is not represented as a full body, he is represented as a point, a simple point. What is the mass of person? M. So what is the mass of this point? It is also m. How many forces are acting on this point? One is a downward gravitational force, which is equals to mg, and other is a normal reaction force, which is in upward direction. Okay, and what is the net acceleration of this body? The net acceleration of this body is a in upward direction. Got it? ये आपने इसका बना लिया क्या? Free body diagram. Now how is free body diagram useful? From free body diagram we can make equations. Now see how is an equation made from the free body diagram. See, first you have to write an equality sign. मैं इसको फिर से बनाता हूं. Equality sign. On the left hand side you are going to write the net force on a person. Net force on this person is, see, net force is always equals to ma. ठीक है, Newton's law says that F is equals to ma, F is equals to ma, F is equals to ma. But which force is this F? This F is not one or two forces. This force is the resultant force on the body. Suppose if there are 10 number of forces acting on the body, so which force is equals to ma? ठीक है, 10 फोर्स एक बॉडी पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो कौन सा फोर्स ma के इक्वल होगा? आपको क्या करने का है? वो 10 के 10 फोर्स को ऐड करने का. ठीक है, ऐड ऑल द 10 फोर्सेस, जो उसका रिजल्टेंट फोर्स आएगा, दैट फोर्स इज इक्वल टू ma. बात समझ में आई? नहीं तो फिर से थोड़ा रिवाइंड करके देखने का. ओके, सी, सो व्हाट इज द रिजल्टेंट फोर्स ऑन दिस पर्सन? सपोज द रिजल्टेंट फोर्स ऑन दिस पर्सन इज इक्वल्स टू f and that f is equals to m into a. इसको मिटा दो. Right, now see, ma is in which direction? It is in upward direction. तो upward forces को positive लेना. a is in upward direction, so resultant force is also in upward direction. तो upward direction में जो force है, you take it as positive. So here, which force is positive? The force which is in upward direction. Which is this force? That is n. If upward force is positive direction, the opposite force becomes in negative direction, that is minus mg. ये बन गई इक्वेशन. क्या करने का है? फिर से सुनो. If acceleration is in certain direction, the force will be in the same direction. The resultant force will be in the same direction. The force is in that direction, उसको positive लेने का. The force which is in opposite direction, उसको negative लेने का. So this is plus n and minus mg. Okay, very simple. अभी यहाँ से normal reaction force calculate करो. mg goes on the other side, so n becomes ma plus mg. That is m common g plus a. Right? Now this weight of a person is only m into g. यहाँ पे acceleration is becoming a little more. This number increases. Actual weight is m into g. But when you add a to this g, the number will increase. That means the apparent weight of a person, the normal reaction force of a person is greater than its actual weight. How much that apparent weight will be? Apparent weight will be m into g plus a, and this is more than the actual weight of the person. Case number 1. Case number 2 पे आओ अभी. there is a man of mass m standing on the weighing machine and the lift is moving downwards with acceleration a. पहले acceleration a ऊपर हो गया था, अभी acceleration a is downward direction. Now see, draw the free body diagram. Man is represented by point. The force acting in downward direction is mg. The force acting in upward direction is n. And where is the resultant acceleration of the person? Acceleration of the person is in downward direction. तो यहाँ पे acceleration बना देगा a. ठीक है, राइट द इक्वालिटी साइन. फिर से इस इक्वेशन को कैसे बनाते हैं मैं आपको लिख देता हूं. इक्वालिटी साइन ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट द रिजल्टेंट फोर्स. रिजल्टेंट फोर्स इज ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू m into a बिकॉज रिजल्टेंट फोर्स इज इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. डाउनवर्ड फोर्स को पॉजिटिव लेने का अब. ओके, सो डाउनवर्ड फोर्स इज mg. टेक दिस एज पॉजिटिव mg. अपवर्ड फोर्स विल बिकम नेगेटिव. ठीक है, यहां पे लिखने का माइनस n. कैसे लिया प्लस माइनस? समझ में आया? नहीं समझ में आया तो फिर से थोड़ा सा डिवाइड करके समझ लेगा. ma is equals to mg minus n. So what is n equals to? n is equals to mg minus ma, that is mg minus a. अब देखो क्या हुआ, this number decreases. mg is the actual weight. Here you have mg minus a. So acceleration is becoming less. So what will happen? The normal reaction force will be little less than the actual weight of the person. And how much that normal reaction force will be? It will be mg minus a. ये इसका measurement है, ये इसका conclusion है, that apparent weight is less than the actual weight. All right, case number 3. In case number 3, ठीक है, अभी आप केस नंबर 3 में अपने आप को इमेजिन करो, ये आप हो, ठीक है, आप लिफ्ट में हो, आपके पैरों के नीचे वेइंग मशीन है और लिफ्ट का जो ऊपर से केबल होता है ना, तो केबल इज somebody is making mischief, somebody is breaking the cables. So if the cable is broken, everything falls down with free fall. ठीक है, इसको ऐसे फेंका तो ये नीचे गिरा, free fall. There is no force acting on it. This is free fall except the gravitational force. All right. So lift is falling down with acceleration g. अभी इसका acceleration कितना हो गया? g. Man का acceleration कितना हो गया? g. Again free body diagram बनाने का. Draw the gravitational force in downward direction, the normal reaction force in upward direction. Same as it is. Now, the acceleration of this man is g and is it in which direction? Is it in downward direction? Downwards. तो downward force कैसा होगा? Positive. Upward force कैसा होगा? Negative. Okay. So this is the resultant force mg. m into a होता है वैसे. The resultant force is m into a. But here what is the value of a? A is equals to g. So this becomes mg. Downward force positive, upward force negative. So mg minus n and n, this will give you n equals to 0. n equals to 0 यानी weightlessness. Okay, इसका मतलब आपका एक्चुअल वेट 0 नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन नॉर्मल रिएक्शन फोर्स 0 हो गया है. जैसे आप स्पेस में चले जाते हैं वेयर देयर इज नो ग्रेविटी. सो इफ देयर इज नो ग्रेविटी, हाउ डू यू फील? यू फील लाइक फ्लाइंग. ओके, इट्स वेरी इजी, आप फ्लाइंग मोड में आ जाते हो. ठीक है, तो इन द सेम वे दिस पर्सन इन द लिफ्ट इज गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस वेटलेसनेस. उसको ऐसा महसूस होगा कि उसकी बॉडी में कोई भी वेट नहीं है, सिर्फ महसूस होगा. वेट तो रहेगा, वेट विल बी देयर, बट व्हाट इज एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय दिस पर्सन इज वेटलेसनेस. Normal reaction force will be absolutely equal to 0. And case number 4, man inside a lift standing on a weighing machine. The mass of the man is m. Now the lift is moving up and down with a constant velocity. It is moving up, either up with a constant velocity or it is moving down with a constant velocity. Now if the velocity remains constant, what is acceleration? Acceleration will be equal to 0. If velocity remains constant, acceleration becomes 0. फिर से free body diagram बनाने का. Okay, ma is equals to, अभी यहाँ पे अगर ये ऊपर जा रहा ना, suppose करो the man in this lift, the man is going in downward direction, so downward force is positive, upward force is negative. Okay, so to net force m into a, downward force mg, positive लेने का, normal reaction force upwards, इसको negative लेने का. ठीक है, now what is a? A equals to 0. तो ये पूरा क्या हो गया? This becomes 0. And what is n? N is equals to mg. That is the actual weight. Similarly, if the lift is moving in upward direction with a constant velocity v, okay, acceleration is again 0. So how you will write this? ma is equals to upward force को positive लेने का, it is n, downward force will be negative, mg. What is acceleration? Acceleration is 0, so m into a is also 0. So this becomes 0 n minus mg. Here you will see that n is again equal to mg. That means here the weight of the person measured by this machine will be the actual weight. Clear? Once you have to learn this trick, how to measure the apparent weight of a person, that is how to measure the normal reaction force of a person moving inside a lift. Once you learn the technique by practicing this, then you can generate many such cases. अभी मैंने कितने केस पढ़ाए आपको? 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया, 3, 4, 5 और 6 केस हो गया. I can generate 50 such cases. ठीक है, लिफ्ट को अभी मैं अगर ऊपर ले जाऊं विद ए सर्टेन वेलोसिटी या सर्टेन एक्सेलरेशन, ठीक है, नीचे ले जाऊं, अभी तो लिफ्ट को सिर्फ ऊपर और नीचे ले जाने का बात की है. We can also move this lift towards left, towards right. We can also move this lift obliquely like this. Okay? Once you learn the technique of how to calculate this, you will be able to solve each and every problem. May it be simple like in your textbooks, or may it be complex like the problems given in H.C. Verma and other books. Okay. The basic thing is that you have to learn more and more numerical techniques. Great. See you in the next video.